How to knit the Latvian bind-off. Hi everyone, Norman here. Today I want to show you the super stretchy Latvian bind-off. You need to use a tapestry needle to create it, but it's actually rather simple and, as I said, super stretchy. Let's show you how to do the Latvian bind-off. Before we can start with the Latvian bind-off, you need to break the yarn and you need to leave a tail that is at least 4 times as long as your project is wide. Be generous, and I would definitely err on the upper side. And then you need to thread that yarn on a tapestry needle and we can start sewing. We need to start the Latvian bind-off with 2 setup stitches, and you only need to do these once. So go through the second stitch on your left needle knitwise and pull the yarn all the way through, and then go through the very first stitch purlwise. That's only the setup. From here you can start with the real repeat. So, step 1. Go through the third stitch on your left needle knitwise from left to right and pull the yarn all the way through. Next, you need to go through the second stitch on your needle from behind, but you need to get out here below the bar you created. Pull through, and now you can drop the first stitch off the needle. Step 3. Go through the new third stitch on your left needle knitwise. Make sure that you don't accidentally split the yarn like I did here. Pull through, and now again you need to go through the second stitch on your left needle from behind, but this time you need to get out above the bar. Pull the yarn through and drop off the first stitch. From here it's rinse and repeat. So go through the third stitch knitwise, pull the yarn through. Go through the second stitch and get out below the bar. Drop the stitch. Go through the next third stitch, pull through, go through the second stitch and get out above the bar. Drop the stitch. One more time. So go through the third stitch, go through the second stitch from behind and get out below the bar. Drop the first stitch. Go through the third stitch, go through the second stitch from behind and get out towards the top and drop it. Continue repeating these steps for the Latvian bind-off. Here at the end, 2 more things. Sometimes you take a break, you get a call or whatever, you interrupt your knitting and then you forget, okay, did I go over or under the last stitch? Well, you can always check. So here I need to go through the third stitch, but you can clearly see the yarn exits this below the bar, so this means I absolutely need to get out above, or vice versa. So you can always check that. And the second thing I want to mention, of course, now here at the very end you don't have a third stitch to go through, but we'll act as if there was one and just go around and then get out below in this case. And then here, the very last 2 stitches, you can just drop them and then bring the yarn through the back by going here through the stitch 1 row below and pull it through the back. And there you go, you finished your Latvian bind-off. You will notice that the loops here at the top are still sticking out, but once you stretch things out once and block things, things will look nice and neat again. So this is the way the final edge will look, quite neat. And as you can see, it doesn't, I mean, this swatch obviously isn't blocked yet, but as you can see, things don't really flare out at all. Well, barely so, but hardly noticeable. Anyway, that's how to knit the Latvian bind-off. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions and your feedback, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day!